Vanakkam, Namaste, welcome back to Fashion Square. So today's collection is all about silk cotton. Before that, I would like to wish you all a very happy new year. இனிய புத்தாண்டு நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். May this year bring you lots of love, peace and joy. So what I'm going to display today is of silk cotton sarees. As the Harvest Festival is approaching, most of you have asked for the festive saree collections. So here we go. Let's get started. So the first saree is a soft silk saree with a multicolor combination and a beautiful zari border, golden zari border. This is how it will look like. So all over the body you have the same pattern and design with a running blouse piece. So this saree is going to cost you 550 rupees only. So what you have to do for booking, you have to take the screenshot of the saree which you like and WhatsApp to my number 996 29 555 37. So this is the first saree. Moving on to the next one. The vibrant color silk cotton in purple shade. So we have the mango border as well as a big temple border. All over the saree you have this pattern. And then let me show you the pallu. A rich pallu, and you will have the same blouse part. So this will be your blouse piece. This is your blouse portion. Such a vibrant color for your festive look. Don't miss these sarees. These are all coming in affordable range. This is only for 950. This is only for 950. Let me show you again the beautiful saree. This is in dark violet color. I have 3 more color options in this saree. So whichever color you like, just ping to me and then your saree is on your way. The next one is a blue, a royal blue color. This is a royal blue. Can you see the temple border? Yes. It's a very, very rich and classy one. So this is in most trend now. The next color is green, a peacock green color. Can you see that? This is your pallu part. The last color is somewhat like a magenta. And this is your pallu and blouse portion. This is how the pallu and blouse portion will look like. So only 4 color options are available. If you want multiple or bulk order, you're very well welcome. So for booking, you have to take the screenshot of each saree and then WhatsApp to my number 996 29 555 37. A handloom khadi saree with weaving design. So these are all the weaving design with beautifully checked pattern. The color is red and the border is of black and coffee brown mixture. Can you see that? It's a black and coffee brown mixture with the temple border. So these are all not print. Let me show you the work. So these are all weaving pattern, weaving design. This is your pallu portion. Very, very lightweight and comfortable for you to wear throughout. Isn't it pretty? So whoever needs it, just WhatsApp to my number 99629 555. So this saree is also going to cost you 950 rupees only. That's such a pretty hand weaving pattern. So in this sarees எல்லாமே உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப affordable price ல தான் கிடைக்குது. Very reasonable here. And I have another color option which is in pink, Rani pink. So Rani pink with the weaving design. These are all woven pattern, woven design. You have the pallu, a very beautifully woven pallu with square pattern all over. This is a coffee brown. The pallu portion will be of coffee brown and the border is of black color. And they have given yellow green weaving design all over the body. So this is how it will look like. So this is your pallu part. You have a running, the blouse part will be a contrast one. It will look more of a black color. So this is your blouse part, coffee brown and black color. So this is also priced at 950 rupees. A vibrant Pochampally sarees. You have been requesting for more and more, so I'm bringing in more and more Pochampally collections. A beautiful pallu pot. This is how the saree will look like with a antique zari, gold zari finishing on the border, and all over the saree you have this ikat stripes running. This is your beautiful pallu. This is a beautiful pallu. This is in Rani pink color. The color of this saree is Rani pink. So lightweight, because I myself prefer only comfortable and lightweight sarees, so that it's convenient for us to drape it all the day long. Another Rani pink, but the pallu design will be of different. Let me show you the pallu. It's the same Rani pink color, but can you see the pallu part? You have a different pallu design. Okay, this saree is also priced at 950 rupees. So do grab all these sarees, which is very reasonable range. So this is for 950. And the last color is of a dark mehendi green color. This is a dark mehendi green color. So with all over the body running stripes. This is your pallu part. This is your pallu portion. So this is also priced at 950. Somewhat a different and unique color. So mostly a blue green combo has to come in Pochampallis, but now it's different and light color shades. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a good day.